Hello viewer, we are going to create the design here. First we have taken that shape. Now we are going to create a clipping mask. For that purpose we will go with that design. Create a clipping mask there. So there is the design or a font style we have get in Photoshop text here. We can change the different text. So that it is. Now we can use the further design into it. Make the remover tool to get the further